After a very stormy summer,
Fall is finally here.
and in just a few seconds,
We'll show you some simple things you can do to get your house ready for cooler weather.
so your energy use can fall as well. Hello and welcome to the award-winning HUTV, Huntsville Utilities Television.
The award-winning web show that helps you get the most out of your utilities.
I'm Todd, joined as always by the Bonnie to my Clyde and the Jekyll to my Hyde, Amanda.
Hey, everybody.
Well, it has been quite the busy summer.
That's right. As we all know, nothing impacts your energy usage more than the weather, and we had all kinds of weather.
Yeah, we had everything from heat waves that kept our air conditioners working constantly, to powerful storms that knocked out power and had our line workers working constantly too.
But today, September 23rd, is the first day of fall.
And that means it's time to get your house ready for cooler weather.
Because even though the weather's getting cooler, it can still have an impact on your energy use.
Many of these tips are things that you can probably do yourself, but if you'd rather not do them yourself, you can always check our Quality Contractors Network to find professional help. You can find a link to that on our website.
And so the first one, cover drafty windows.
Drafty windows let that warmer air out, and as my dad always used to say, I'm not paying to heat the whole neighborhood.
Right? And there are many different things that you can do to help with those drafty areas, including clear plastic on the frame and then caulk around the edges.
And even just installing tighter fitting drapes and shades can make a big difference on this.
But windows aren't the only thing that can let the warm air out.
That's right. There are areas on your house called utility cutouts, and this is where things like pipes and other utility information and equipment comes into the house. Not information, but you know what I mean. Equipment comes into the house, and you need to seal those up as well.
Right. And the same goes for chimneys. Recessed lightings and unfinished spaces like behind the cupboards and closets.
Now, we know this is a lot here, and if you don't really know how to search for these leaks, how to track them down, we're going to put a link in the HUTV section of our website. And again, that's hsvutil.org.
And since you mentioned chimneys, there's a couple of things that we should mention about fireplaces.
Right. Now, unless you've got a fire going, keep the damper closed.
Right. Leaving it open is just one more way that the door, it's like leaving a door or a window wide open.
Right, yeah. And, you can make your fireplace more efficient by using these grates that are made out of C-shaped metal tubes.
They draw the cool air into the fireplace and then circulate the air and push out the warm air.
Speaking of air circulation, you can still get a lot of use out of your ceiling fan, even though the weather's getting cooler.
All you got to do is flip the switch to make it spin the other direction, clockwise.
Yes, clockwise in winter, counterclockwise in the summer.
Right.
Okay. Now is also a good time for an annual inspection of your HVAC system. I have my notes here in front of me, but sometimes I just get going. But anyway, now is a good time for an annual inspection of your HVAC system, including checking those ductwork things that go all through your house for any leaks.
Right. That the energy services guys tell us that that's usually a culprit, so
Yes.
Definitely do that. And they also make sure that we remind you guys to change your air filters.
2.
Also.
Yes. 2 or also, they mean the same thing. Now, those are just a few of the things you can do to get your home ready for fall.
And you'll find more on our HUTV section of our website, hsvutil.org.
And if you have a question about how to make your home more energy efficient, post it in the comments and we'll get you an answer.
And while you're at it, be sure to like and subscribe and, click the bell and everything so that you get these episodes every week.
Yeah, so until next time, I'm Todd for Amanda and all of us at the award-winning HUTV saying thanks for watching, and remember, you can't spell utilities without you. After a very stormy Sunday, no, it wasn't Sunday. After a very stormy summer,
Fall is finally here.
and in just a few seconds,
We'll show you some simple things to get ready for your home.
after a very stormy summer,
Fall is finally
You're not
here.
wearing the headphones?
Oh, well,
If you don't think you need to, I mean, that's how you knew we were all over the place last time.
yeah.
Okay. Checking the ductwork for any leaks.
And you can find out more And I'm missing a line.
Yeah, she missed a line there.
Because I don't have this copy. What's my line?
And of course, don't forget to change your air filters too.
I can do that. Can we do a cut?
Yeah, we're gonna Speaking of air circulation, you can still get a lot of use out of your ceiling fan, even though the weather is getting cooler.
Just flip the switch that spins the...
So that it spins?
So that it spins.